Hello, welcome to the channel, Big H on Motors. I'm Big H, and today we've been invited down by the guys at Cars for You 16 in Rugby to have a look at a car from the for the communist bloc, from Poland to be exact, that was quite a common sight on the Polish roads in the 70s and 80s, was imported into the UK in 80s and 90s, and something I personally haven't seen on the road for some 15-20 years. So yeah, thanks to the guys down there. Let's go and have a look at what we're going to be testing today. So, if you haven't guessed what it is yet, take a look at this. So, there we are. It is the FSO Polonez from 1993. This has been restored completely by the guy who owns this garage, which we'll give him a shout out. Cars for You 16 in Rugby. Have a look at their website. They're not paying us anything to do this. They've actually invited us down to have a look at this car. So, have a look at it we shall. So, as you can see, FSO, the Polski theatre group as they were, but this thing's been restored to an immaculate level. I mean, leave some comments below, but I can't remember the last time I saw one of these. But yeah, look, it's absolutely gleaming. It's got the multi-lattice wheels. Don't they look nice? Bodywork's nice and straight, finished in gold. It is left-hand drive, as you can see. We'll have a look inside in a minute. All in all, it's very nice. I'd say I don't know when I last saw one of these, so this is something quite special for me. I remember many years ago in 1993, I bought one of these that was 5 years old, and at the time I paid £400 for it. I bet you can't find one for sale now, and if you can, I bet they're more than £400. That's a bit suspect, but hey, each to their own. Overall, it's quite nice. Rear window, wiper, big parcel shelf. It's been rescued and restored to quite a good level. But yeah, let's have a look inside. Back in the day, when these were supplied in what was communist Poland, it's not something you just turn up and buy. It, I believe you have to go on a waiting list and go to what they would deem a showroom to buy one of these, which is actually just like a big warehouse where you sat down, put your name down on a piece of paper, they're about equivalent to 10 years wages, should I say, and they would inform you as and when the car was ready, and not necessarily get the car that you'd asked for, but this is something a bit special. Most of the FSOs from the age would have been the 125Ps, so you'd have to win something a little bit special to get one of these of the day. Look at the pattern on the door, isn't that just fantastic? Right, here I can put the seat back a bit first. Breaker one's just a little bit smaller than me. No, that's as far back as it goes. This might be entertaining. So, here we are inside the FSO Polonez. Getting in is a bit entertaining, I'm going to be honest with you. I've got the seat as far back as it will go. And I'm quite a big bloke, and getting in was a feat in itself. But as you can see, there's the instrument display, all in kilometres. As you say, this is a left-hand drive vehicle from Poland. Nodding dog. It's got the communist style dash. You can tell it's from the era it is, but it's still a fantastic car. It's even got the original, I think it might be the original, I might be wrong, Polish hi-fi system. But yeah, it's truly magnificent. Even at the headlining, look. It's all furry, a lot of wool. Don't think it is wool, but it's very furry. Even down to the headrests. And it's even got, you probably can't pick that up, a ticking clock. When was the last time you sat in the car and you could hear the clock ticking? But yeah, fantastic. Hoping to get out and have a drive in this soon, but we'll have to see. Let's have a look under the bonnet. Right, so bonnet up, which I've done off camera because I'm too stupid to use the camera and operate the bonnet lever. But there we go, there is the FSO branded 1.5 engine from the Polonez. Look how shiny and clean everything is. It's been well looked after. Look at all the room to work on. Oh my God. You'd be envious of a new car with that amount of work, wouldn't you? The attention to detail is fantastic. The guys have really done a cracking job restoring this. I can't imagine the parts in this country are easy to find. I don't know what they're like in Poland, but we'll have a word with Cam, the guy that owns it, when he's finished doing an MOT. Because as you say, it is a a very busy garage that he owns here in the UK, but he also owns a garage in Poland. So yeah, that's the under engine area, or under bonnet area should I say, of the FSO Polonez. Just wondering what that would have been there, so if anybody knows, drop us a comment below, because there's the airbox. So we're just pondering what that might be. Like I say, if anybody knows, stick it on the comments, I'll be eager to find out. Right, let's fire the beast up. And as you can see, it has a choke. There she is, she's running. A nice little rasp to it. Even though it is on choke at the minute, so listen to that Eastern European power. Absolutely fantastic. Oh, I love this. So we leave you with one last look around the FSO. You can hear there's much building work going on in the background, so I'm sorry for the background noise, but there's not a lot I can do with that. Like I say, Cam owns his own business, so we're lucky to get a minute spare. He's currently doing an MOT inside his workshop, so you know, I'm very grateful for the fact that he's given us the time to bring this out here. Whether we get to drive it or not, I don't know. I don't think we will. It's Cam's pride and joy. It's a car from his native country, something he's very proud of, and rightly so. If we all took a bit more pride in things from our country, life would be so much nicer, wouldn't it? So, thanks for dropping in and looking at the video. If you haven't already hit the subscribe button, please do so. We've got plenty more videos coming up, some announcements on the Disastrat and a few charity events we're taking part in, so make sure you tune in for those. Hit the subscribe button. Oh look, nice VW camper, very nice. So yeah, sorry, distracted there, easily distracted. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, which is even better, because you get to know every time I put something up. And if you like the video, leave a comment. If you've got a car that you'd like us to feature in one of our fantastically professional videos, then leave me a comment below. The weirder, the better. And we'll see you in the near future on the next video. So thanks for dropping in, and ta-ta. Thanks for this, Cam, much appreciated, mate. I can't remember the last time I went out in one of these. How long have you had it?
Well, I have it since 2 years already.
Oh, okay.
But I done, let's say, I done the MOT yesterday,
yeah,
because the MOT expired 9th of February.
Okay.
So I done only about, let's say, 20 miles in year time.
Blimey. That's lovely, isn't it? It's great. I like things like this.
Well, I've got a Polski Fiat pickup.
Okay.
And he's got he's an English one. He's got a right-hand drive.
Okay.
So this one waiting for restore as well.
They're quite rare. Well, so are these actually.
Well, I find that Fiat in London.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's brilliant. I like the noise it makes. Proper old school noise.
Well, my father's got about, let's say, 20 of them.
Has he?
When young, yeah. They've been really popular in Poland. Well, this is only a one of the few cars which actually Poland built.
Yeah,
So
yeah, sure, yeah.
That's why I want to get one here.
I mean, we've not long come back from Poland. I didn't see one of these over there at all the time we were over there.
Well, they start to be rare now.
Yeah?
Because they've been so cheap. It's actually people doesn't look after them.
Yeah, so,
They've been driving till they lease and then scrapping them.
yeah?
We're now shaving with them.
Yeah, bits of metal on the razor blades, yeah. John was saying you've got a garage in Poland as well, haven't you?
Yes.
Yeah?
Second one I'm running with my father.
Alright, cool. Oh, this is great.
Well, if you want to join, we've got like a Polish festival
Okay,
on the end of the May,
yeah.
which gonna come. That will happen. Where that will happen? You know Woodstock,
Yes, yeah.
and you know the castle there.
Yes,
in the
yeah.
Woodstock.
Yeah.
Every year we meet all the Polish people.
Oh, okay.
Meet with the vehicle like that.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, that'd be good to go to. That'd be fantastic,
I
yeah.
will check later on the date. I think
Alright, yeah.
it's 25th or 28th of May.
That'd be brilliant, Cam, yeah. That'd be really good. Oh, it runs as sweet as a nut, this does.